people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to answer a comment that I actually got. So they asked me, do I know anything about First Digital? And I was thinking, wait, I don't know anything about them, but let me do some research because, I always want to do research on these companies, you guys, so that I can see like what credit card you're looking at, and then I can give you my input on that account or on that credit card. Now, if you guys want to make your personalized video, definitely let me know in the comments. I'll be sure to make you guys a personalized video. And always remember, you all, when I make these different videos, I hope that you guys take my suggestions. But at the same time, if you apply for a credit card, it's a chance that you could get a hard pull, and that's going to be up to you if you make that decision on getting a hard pull and applying for that credit card. Now, I did some research on this credit card. Let me just start off by saying that this credit card right here has very high fees. So I always told you guys, if a credit card has high fees like this, then you'll be better off just getting a secure credit card than to get a credit card with fees like this. So the APR on this credit card is 35.99%, and that's for purchases and cash advances. So that right there is already high. Another thing, they have a high annual fee. So for the first year, you're going to pay $75, and then after that, you're going to pay $48 annually. And then on top of you paying the annual fee, you're going to also have a one-time program fee after you get approved, and that's going to be $95. So you might as well say that you have to pay $170 the first year. You might as well say that's the annual fee if you think about it. You have to pay $170 that first year, and then after that, you're going to pay $48 per month. It's really, to me, the same thing. Now, if you guys do a cash advance, which for a credit card like this, you guys should not be doing cash advances, and I really don't suggest it for many credit cards. You guys are paying a lot of money for those cash advances, so I don't suggest that you all do it. But for this one, you guys are going to pay $10 or 3%, whichever one is greater, and that's going to be for cash advances. If you want a full summary, definitely you guys can check out the full summary. But here is everything about the card so far. Now, if you all were actually thinking about getting this credit card, then there is maybe some other credit cards you guys can go ahead and sign up for, so that you guys don't have to worry about paying these high fees. And I'm going to go over those credit cards, those options I think you guys should take after I go over something I want you guys to see with this credit card, so that you can see if other credit cards have this same thing. They offer this same thing. So I had to do some research on this card, and I went to Wallet Hub, and I seen they said that they're charging a $95 program fee. We went over that. A $75 annual fee for the first year. Then after that, it's going to drop down to $48, which is basically $6.25 per month. So, that's a lot. When I looked, they said that you probably won't get approved for more than the $300 to start, but they're saying right here, you can get at least $300. So that's good that if you were to get the credit card, I really don't suggest it, but if you were to get the credit card, at least $300 is not like the set amount that you're going to get. You're able to get more than that. Now, we went over the APR. We went over all these different things, right? Now, this is what I want you all to see, because I want you to see if other companies have this same thing. So somebody asked the question, how do I get a First Digital MasterCard credit limit increase? So they said you can get a First Digital MasterCard credit limit increase online or by calling them, right? It is important to note that every credit limit increase comes a fee, which is 25% of the amount of the increase. So that means if they was to increase your credit limit by $400, you're going to have to pay $100 for that increase. That is crazy. That is really crazy. And then also, you guys, limit increases are available after the account has been open for 12 months, and they have 6 consecutive months of on-time payments. Now, the 12-month thing, so you got to wait a year to get an increase. You got to pay for that increase. But a lot of accounts have the same thing. Some accounts wait 6 months, but this account right here, they have to wait 12 months and 6 months of consecutive payments. I do not like that. They're basically saying if they give you an increase, then you all have to pay a fee for that. I do not like that. So you guys, I just want to do a review on this. Somebody asked me to do a review. If you need this credit card, then there's other credit cards that you could possibly get. You guys don't have to just get these credit cards. If you guys want me to look at your credit reports, which is what I really suggest, let me look at your credit reports. Let me tell you what you might can be able to get approved for. Or tell me what you want to get approved for. And then we'll work towards that. Then make sure you guys go ahead and schedule a call down below. Go ahead and look in the comments and click the link and schedule a call with me. And then I can review your credit reports, and then we can talk about what you can possibly get approved for personally. But take these other tips that I'm about to give you just in case you don't have time to schedule a call and you want to go ahead and just do everything on your own. So you guys have the option to do a mission lane. Now, the thing I like about mission lane is that I just recently did a video. They actually will give you increases, which is good. If you guys go on Credit Karma and see that they have that as an offer, as a credit card, I suggest you apply there, because somebody said that they were able to get approved with no annual fee when they apply through Credit Karma. So you may want to check that out. But first, see if you can go ahead and get approved. So you can click right here, see if I'll be approved. Now, Mission Lane is going to pull your TransUnion credit report. You don't have to have the best, you don't have to have like awesome credit to get this credit card. But it's an easy credit card that you all can go ahead and get. And they can pre-qualify you without a hard hit to your credit. Now, if you accept the offer and you start the application, then it's going to be a full hard hit. Understand, you're going to get a hard inquiry on your credit reports. Now, the next company I want to talk to you guys about is the Aspire card. I'm pretty sure you guys seen me make a video on this card. Now, the thing that I like about this card is that you guys are able to actually pre-qualify for this credit card. So you can click right here and click and pre-qualify for this credit card. And you guys can choose which credit card, which credit card you want to actually apply for. And I like the point that you can get pre-approved, and this is unsecured, so you guys don't have to put a deposit down as if it's a secure credit card. So if you guys don't have the best of credit, go ahead and apply for this credit card and see if they can actually pre-qualify you for it. And if they can pre-qualify you and you need a credit card, then go ahead and get this credit card, because they don't have an annual fee, or hopefully you won't get the annual fee, but check and see if they're going to give you an annual fee when they pre-qualify you. Now, the next three companies I want to talk to you guys about is like the easy ones. I'm like drilling into everybody's head. Just get these different credit cards. They're very easy to see if you can get pre-approved for, and they have so many different credit cards that you guys can actually apply for. So the first company is Discover. They can actually see if you're pre-approved for a credit card offer. It's like right here, you all. They can see if you can be pre-approved for their credit card, and it's not going to be a hard hit to your credit. It's going to be a soft pull, so you're not going to get the hard inquiry, and your credit score should not drop from seeing if you pre-qualify and pre-approved. Now, there's multiple companies that there's multiple credit cards that you guys can possibly be able to get approved for. They have their secure credit card. They have regular credit cards with like a 0% APR on purchases. 0% APR on purchases is really good for those people that, you have some purchases you want to make and then you want to pay it off, but you don't want to get charged any interest. That is a really good offer for you all if you need that. I really like the cashback that they offer. And I also like their secure credit card, because with their secure credit card, you guys have the option of having it graduate. So secure credit card means you have to put money down, right? So if you put $200 down on it, in about 7 months, they're going to review your account. They're going to make sure you don't have any new things, any new bad accounts or any bad things happen to your credit reports. And they're going to see if they can upgrade this account to a regular credit card. So I always tell people, try to see if you can get their secure credit card, because it will graduate. And then when they graduate, you guys, if you put that $200 down for the secure card, then they will send you that money back. So I definitely like discover, go ahead and see if they can pre-approve you for any of their credit cards. Now, the next company I want to talk to you guys about is Capital One. Now, I talk to you guys all the time about these three companies. You guys should know it if you guys watch my channel all the time, because they're simple credit cards that you all can get. And when you get these simple credit cards, then you can start building from there and getting more credit and more credit and more credit. But you have to start off by just making sure you have the 4 basic credit cards, reporting to the credit bureaus that you're paying on time, and then that's going to allow you to get additional credit cards. Now, I only have these easy credit cards popped up with the fair and building credit cards. There's other credit cards that you guys can definitely apply for, but I see that a lot of people are actually building their credit, so I want to stick to this because I want it to be close to that First Digital. So you have 2 secure credit cards that you can actually get, and then you have 2 unsecured credit cards. And they have the Platinum, which does not have an annual fee, and then they have the Quicksilver, which has an annual fee, but at least you guys will get the 1.5% cash back on every purchase every day. So you definitely can click right here to see if you're pre-approved for any of the Capital One credit cards. If you mess up with Capital One and you owe them, you're not able to get another credit card with them. You're not going to be able to get a credit card with them until you pay that balance off, and then hopefully they'll forgive you and let you back in. But if you are unable to get a credit card with Capital One, then check out the Navy Federal website, because this credit union, they offer multiple credit cards again, and they can pre-qualify you. So they can pre-qualify you for these cards. And then I like that you're able to freeze these cards and unfreeze them. So say if you were to lose your purse, you can freeze these credit cards right away. Say if it's late at night, or say if you just don't want anyone using your debit card, not your debit card, your credit card, you're having problems, you can freeze your card just to make sure random transactions are not coming through. And when you want to use it, you can unfreeze it. So I really like Navy Federal Credit Union, and they have multiple credit cards you guys can get approved for. I'll let you all know about that already. Now, the secure credit card, we didn't talk about that. Now, with the secure credit card, this is another credit card that's going to graduate. And I didn't tell you all, but Capital One credit cards graduate too. Their secure credit cards will actually graduate in 6 months, and they have it right here on their website. So let me show you all that really quick. Refundable deposit of $49, $99, or $200 get you a $200 initial credit limit. Be automatically considered for a higher credit line in as little as 6 months. So just make sure that you're paying your bills on time with that. Really, that's the biggest thing. And you guys should be able to get that increase. Now with them, if you guys put a $200 deposit down with the Navy Federal Secure credit card, then it's possible that they can increase your credit limit to $2,000 in about 6 months, or after 6 billing cycles. And you just have to make sure that you're paying your credit card off on time. If you were to max it out, just make sure you guys are paying it back, and you guys should be fine in terms of getting it graduated to a normal credit card, a regular unsecured credit card. Now, again, you guys, look at these fees. When you're looking at getting these credit cards, check out the fees. And if you guys have any questions, schedule a call with me. Let me see what's going on with your credit reports. Let's see what you have to do. If you guys need help with buying a home, I'm helping a lot of people with that. Definitely let me know. I'm here for you all. I want to help you all. And I'm only accepting so many people into my home buying program this year. So if you're looking to buy a home, make sure you guys join my home buying program. But I'll have that link down in the description for you all also. But I'll see you guys in the next video.
There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. A $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.